Hello? Hello? Uh, um,
Alright, hello? Wait, no, is it working? Alright, hello? Um, will this work with my other headphones now? Like, because I'm trying to use a new microphone, or a new,
could be.
alright, so yeah, the new thing isn't working. Or it's not new, but it's, not new, it's just different headphones. So, yeah, I'm just gonna be desoldering stuff from this circuit board first. Um, yeah, and with my new fancy like hot air soldering station, which uses hot air, it should be much faster. So I'm gonna get that powered on. Need a so let's like cross my desk real quick. All right, I just had to wet my sponge for the soldering iron thing so that so that I can clean it. That's how I clean the iron. But right now, I'm not using that. I'm using my hot air soldering station, which will turn on. It's heating up. All right, should be at the right temperature. So I'm just at the whatever I want, and it will melt it. So I'm just gonna get like a bunch of the SMD components off of here. Still warm up, and then yeah, you can pretty much just pick them up. Super easy. So yeah, I guess I'll just get a couple of these, and I don't need any flux for this. 'Cause they just come off super easy. I just use tweezers to pick them up. Solder this one to the tweezers. Yeah. Now, so let me put back. Remove all these little other things I just took off out of the way. It's a lot of them. And there. The board's still hot. So I think next there are these some sort of coils like here. There's some sort of coil that I'm gonna try to get. Just yeah. So it should be pretty easy. I'm gonna use a normal soldering iron for this one. I can plug it in. The cord the cord is almost just long enough to get to the power. But, so I'm heating this up to 520 degrees Fahrenheit. So I don't know how many Celsius that is. But yeah. So I think yeah, it's these three pins. There's three of them right here and three of them right there, and that's them. So I don't know if I need a flux for this or not. I'm just gonna get this surface mount component out of the way real quick. Add a bit of solder to it. It's gonna get in the way pretty soon. There. There's one. And the other one. You add some more solder to it. Got it. I'm not using the hot air gun for this just because I don't feel like heating it back up. Not that I don't feel like it, like I just it's totally completely cooled down now. So come on. So now I'm trying to get the thing actually out. Should be almost down. No, it's still attached by something. It's like a pin. Maybe if I use some wick to just get it off of mine. Yeah, actually, oh, that might not. That might not work. I don't think. Yeah, it's like this pin not leaving for some reason. Oh, it was already out. I just for some reason. Well, there now for the other one, which should also be pretty easy. It's the same thing as the last one. Wait 1 second. All right, I just had to flip around my camera, but it should be good now. It should be better. So yeah, got the last component out, or the last coil, whatever that was. And my next subject, I think, is going to be this crystal oscillator right here. So I am just going to figure out what pins that is that goes to. So it looks like these two. So I am just trying. See if I can melt the things. Which the pins are very annoying because the pins are like bent so that it doesn't come out. Like even if the solder's melted. For some reason I hate it when they do that because I have to unbend them. So yeah, then I gotta try and do this. All right. So I have my flux, which this is Chip Quick NC191 flux. Actually, it'll be like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna use a little bit wherever the pins are right here. I don't think I'll need too much. That's a decent amount. But there, now I'm gonna try and wick the solder. There's one pin. Oh, uh-oh. Soldered the wick to the board. Oh, the fumes coming off the flux are terrible. I I've yet to get some way to get them away. They like are not good. Really, probably should not be breathing them, but I'll probably be fine, or at least for now. Yeah. All right. This is it's always a pain to cut the wick. It's like scissors aren't strong enough, but this like doesn't cut it well. Try these scissors. Maybe these scissors will work better. Oh yeah, these scissors work pretty good. Oh crap! But no, the copper braid like fell apart and is now everywhere. Um, crap. I'll clean that up later. Got most of them off, and I ran out of compressed air, so I can't blow them away. Clean that up later. For now, I'm just gonna keep doing this. I try and yeah, got it. A little bit of flux on it. I'm just gonna use Q-tip and some isopropyl alcohol to get it off. Did not add enough. Yeah, should be good. Alright, there. Got the flux cleaned off of this. There, got a crystal later. And what next? I think I'll get that coil. Looks like it is that pin and that pin. Yeah, I think. Um, should be these two pins. Should be those two, and then above it there should be another smaller. Um, so it's definitely like somewhere around here. Should be like close to the edge, like one one of these. Maybe that. Nah, I give up. I'm gonna end up desoldering the wrong thing and wondering why I found it out, and it's gonna be a pain. Instead, I'm gonna desolder whatever this thing looks fancy. It might be like, yeah, I have no idea what it is. So I'm gonna take it. So I'm just gonna add a solder to all the points. That should be able to get it out, hopefully. None of the pins are even there anymore. Where is it? How is it? Oh, it was out that whole time. Not the whole time, but most of it. So yeah, I don't know what this is, but that's the second one of those I have from a different live stream. I'm also gonna um move this out of the way and surface mount cones that are still that I missed. Use a bit of flux. Why is this folded? Why is it being like that? That's kind of weird. This got it. Good enough. So I'm gonna just go like that. Nope. Solder. Try not to solder the wick to the And what's the point of doing that? I'm not be putting anything else in there. Not gonna be putting it back in. So Yeah, there's no point. Um, well, what now? I have got all the stuff I want from this one mostly. I still have on here. There's still some like it's Transformers. There's some in flux. Never cleaned the flux off of it. You have to clean the flux off of the board because all times, actually, I have no idea, but sometimes it can be conductive or corrosive. So you have to clean it off because you don't want your thing to short circuit. That'd be not good. Oh, that was way too much isopropyl alcohol, but whatever. Yeah, it comes off. The flux comes off really easy with like isopropyl alcohol and a Q-tip. This is what kind? 99% isopropyl alcohol from like I don't know where I got it from. It's like Acme or something. This flux? No. All right, there. Got all that off. Now for the transformers, which is 4 different pins or 5. This one, and that one. So to get them off, I will use my fancy desoldering tool because my old one broke on it broke on the live stream and I didn't do anything without it. It's just not working. Maybe whip will work better instead. Yeah, it's not working. Actually, I think the hot air might work well for this. I'm just gonna add a little bit of flux just in case. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do first, though? Gonna add, or I'm gonna hold the board up with what is that? Alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. Stuff or there's flux too. It's like it's a drift through the PCB. Yeah, this is just a metal plate as a that I can stick these to it, and this is so that I can hold the board up so that when I desolder the transformer falls out. Let's see if I can. Oh wait, why is my light not working? Oh, it's not plugged in. I we plug my light in also. Like every every cord on my power strip used for all the different lights and irons. And, oh, that is it. There you go. You can still see. So the pins that I'm going to be getting are right there. So um, it's my hot air station. It's kind of like a hair dryer, but it'll get really, really hot and burn the usable flat. So I'll turn the air volume down. Turn the air volume down because it's blowing all the flux away. Uh, cord to my camera is getting in the way. It's not melting, but why? It's same temperature as I always use. The solder around it's melting. Why is the solder that I need to melt not melting? Look, all the solder around it's melting. Maybe do I need to add some solder first? Maybe that'll help. Add a lot of solder. Just to help. There you go. The air gun heats back up. Oh, messing with the light. Not to light the camera. And you can still see the things. That should be fine for now. Need a higher air volume. Why is it not melting? Why is it acting like that? It's like it's acting very weird. Need more flux? Ooh. Hmm. Should I desolder the things with the desoldering tool? Let me do this. Well, that solder just fell off, so did that one. That one's melted. Yeah, I really don't know why it's not melting. Have to figure it out sometime maybe. Yeah, it's not melting at all. Some very strange. Um, yeah, it's kind of weird why it's not melting. But yeah, I don't know what I can do about that right now. So, all right, there. Um, Mess up the flux. So I guess I'm just gonna clean all the flux and move on to a different. So I got most of the stuff off it. So yeah, that was really weird. I have to look up how to fix that later and see if I can clean off some of the solder from the stuff I've removed. Use this. These are all carbon solder. Gotta unfold the wick. For some reason, it's been folded. I got it mostly unfolded. So I'm gonna clean off the stuff like around area. Just gonna take all the solder off with my wick. Oh, geez. Yeah, I think I got that. I am doing that. There. And it's folded again, the um wick. There. Got that done. Keep accidentally soldering the wick to the board like that. I got it that time. This is all solder. Why hasn't that been coming off? There, I got it clean. Alright, well, I have had enough of these fumes from the things. So I'm just gonna clean this off and be done. done for probably the day. There. All right. So yeah. See ya. I'm out of here for the day.